Hi there, Emmanuel here, and you probably found this video because you're looking into this Cryptopayz. You're looking for a Cryptopayz review, or you found it. You thought to yourself, is it for you? Does it actually do what it says on this page? Right now, okay, I'm going to go into all of that in a second. But if you're new to the channel, at first I just want to say hi. I want to say welcome. If you do get any value from this, then please just consider hitting the subscribe button below. Also remember to just tick on the bell icon so that anytime I do release a new video, you'll be the first to be notified and you won't miss out on any of the stuff I'm putting out there. If I see anything of value, anything I think is going to help you, anything I help you earn online, I'm putting a video out there. So don't miss out on that and hit that subscribe button below. Alright, so let's get into this Cryptopayz then. So this is a Warrior Plus product. Now I'd kind of moved away from looking at these Warrior Plus products because I didn't like them. I thought they were very much based at the shiny object type crew. They'd make all these hypey things, hypey suggestions, and they just wouldn't really do what they said. Do you know what I mean? But then I saw this crypto, and because I've more moved into kind of trading now, trading the forex and trading the crypto market, and I saw this and I thought, okay, let me have a look because it's crypto based. So I came to the page, and this is the page for the Cryptopayz. Tells you how, push one button, we turn any computer or phone into a free Bitcoin and Ethereum machine that gets you $93.77 per hour in crypto. So a minute when I see that, I think, okay, this is sounding a little bit like the old Warrior type pages. And then when you go through this page, it's all hypey. It's telling you about how much they earn and all this sort of stuff, and then giving you these kind of screenshots, which got nothing to do with crypto. Actually, they're actually giving to you in dollars here, and this is like a ClickBank page. So it's crazy, and then all these testimonials from people that aren't verified, and you just go down the page, and it's just another hypey type page, and they don't tell you anything about what it is that you're going to be doing to make the money, to make this crypto. All it says is you just log in and you got money dropping into your account, and it's coming in the form of crypto or Ethereum, however you choose to do it. So digging a bit further into it, what I actually found is that what you're going to be setting up in essence is stores. It's like stores where they put products on there, like just regular everyday products, coats, shirts, jeans, whatever. And you can also put banners on the site, which you can get from people like eToro and something. It's like a crypto platform type banner, and you put those on these sites that they're calling them crypto extraction sites. So in essence, you're making an e-commerce store, but instead of getting paid in dollars, you're getting paid in crypto, and you choose the type of crypto you want. They give you training, like they tell you to go to this place here, the crypto payments made easy, this coin payments page, so that you set yourself up so you can receive crypto into your accounts. So yeah, they show you how to receive the crypto currency, and you choose the currency you want. They also give you banners that you can put on these sites that if people click, you'll make money. So you make money in two ways: if people click on these banners, or if people buy some stuff on your stores. But that's just an e-commerce store. Do you know what I mean? So basically, they're just giving you an e-commerce store and you get paid in crypto. And now they make all the hype about crypto. And I was thinking, but you're not showing me how to trade crypto. This got nothing to do with trading crypto anyway. You're putting up a store. So the same problems come into play that people who put up e-commerce stores have. They don't know how to get traffic. They're showing you how to get traffic by sharing links on social media. Again, doesn't work unless you have a social media following. So it just went worse and worse and worse down the rabbit hole, and I thought to myself, I'm going to make this video just to tell people that if what they were after is learning how to trade crypto or anything about crypto or Ethereum, this is not it. This is setting up an affiliate store. You might as well call it e-commerce. This is setting up a store where they give you these products that you can sell on there, on this horrible looking store. For me, I thought this looks horrible. It looked like some sort of cartoon store where you got banners everywhere, and then these products, these cheap looking products on there that people can buy by using Ethereum or crypto. Look, if you don't know how to get traffic, forget about it. You're just gonna have this store set up there. They say to you, they've got upsells, they've got tons of upsells, 6 upsells. They say you can have more websites. You know, you can have unlimited sites. That's another $47. They can have a done for you site. That's another upsell, $297. An automated site, another $47. 100 times faster. I mean, this is just ridiculous. Yeah, another $97. You can put their retargeting pixel on their sales pages. That's another $87. You can be a reseller of this and get all the money for reselling it, which is probably the best way you're going to make money from this. You're not, I don't believe you're going to make money from stores. If you're going to do stores, go and learn e-commerce. You know, this is not the answer if you want to put up a store. Reseller rights, $197, and then another additional income streams. They're going to show you 5 or 6 more additional income streams for another $47. Look, for me, it's an absolute no-no. I didn't even purchase the product to show you the inside. If you want to do that, you can look for yourself. They're charging $19. I mean, if you go to Xaway, you get a couple of dollars off, so you end up getting it for $17. They've also got a 365-day money-back guarantee that they say if you look into it and you don't like it, not only will they give you your money back, they'll also give you an additional $200. So already I know that's nonsense, because nobody on earth is going to charge you $17 and then give you $200 back. So I actually think that guarantee means you're not even going to get your $17 back. So just be very, very mindful with this. If what you want to learn is how to trade crypto, yeah, then the people that I trade with can help you with that. If that's what you're looking for, you know. But if you're looking for another little shiny object, which is what this is, then it's entirely up to you. I personally wouldn't touch this myself because I don't do e-commerce stores, whether they're paying me in crypto or they're paying me in dollars. E-commerce is notoriously, it's something you really need to learn and know how to do. You need to learn how to get traffic to your store. If you know how to generate traffic, if you have a Facebook page that has a lot of people on there, and then you want to tell them about your stores, then that's fine. You know, they're going to be hosting your store and everything for you. So, you know, it's entirely up to you if you want to do that. But if you want to really learn e-commerce, I think go and do a proper course. This is not learning e-commerce. That's my opinion on it. If you want to learn how to trade crypto, then there's something that I'm personally using in the group that I'm actually trading with. I'm going to show it to you. It's called Swipecoin. Yeah, and they actually give you. Let me just show you before we go to the results. They give you ideas. So they give you leverage ideas. And these are people that have been trading 3 years, yeah, in the crypto world. So these are proper traders. They actually know what they're doing. They give you the ideas. They give you the rundown as to why they're choosing those ideas. Then you have the choice to go and look at it yourself. The leverage trades, these are for leveraged like Ethereum and Bitcoin. And this is trading it now, yeah. So you don't need to go and put a store up or anything like that. You just can take the ideas. They used to give you entries. They give you stop losses and everything. Yeah, that's for the leverage ideas. You can also have the exchange ideas for the smaller coins, which is where people trip up a lot. They just don't know what these smaller coins are, or which ones to actually trade in. So they've gone and done the research for you, and they give you the ones that they suggest. Here we have one called Link. There's another one here called DPI. You see, these coins I haven't even really heard of, but I would trust the actual person because they've been doing it for 3 years. This is not some hypey looking store that they put up 2 seconds ago. This has been going 3 years. And now I just want to show you the results. Yeah, you also have a scalper that you can take trades every day. I'll show it to you here quickly. This is the one I used this morning. Gave me a sell signal here. They send out the signals with where you should enter and everything. Sell signal here. Already 1-to-1 in profit at least. This is a 1-to-2 so far. And, you know, I moved the stop loss to 0. So this is a break-even trade. I'm not going to be losing anything on this trade at all. You know, don't worry if none of that makes sense, because I'm actually going to give you an opportunity to come and learn with us for free. But have a look at this. This is last month's results. 16 wins, 3 losses, 3,600 pips. This is November's results. 78.5% accuracy. This is trading crypto. Do you know what I mean? I'm not saying that that, you know, you get this accuracy if you take every trade, obviously, but the 16 winners, the chance of you getting a winner is so much higher than whatever this is, this other thing here, this crypto thing, which isn't even, you're not even trading crypto. If that's, so just be mindful of what you're doing with this. If you've come on here, and because you see the way they blasted crypto all around this, I personally myself thought, and I've been marketing a while, that they were going to teach you something about crypto or Ethereum. They were going to give you a free Bitcoin and Ethereum machine. No, they're giving you a website that you can sell stuff on and get paid in Bitcoin or Ethereum, you know. So anyway, that's my opinion on it. I would leave this alone. If you want to come and trade with us and learn some of that Bitcoin stuff I was just telling you about, and also learn about the Forex trading market for free, you can come and train with us completely for free, starting Monday, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We do a 1.5 hour training that you can come on for free, and you do that every day, Monday through to Friday. And then if at the end you decide you want to continue with us, you can. But if you don't, that's fine as well. This is completely for free. If you want to get details of that, then I'm going to leave it below this video. You can click on that. You get completely free access to that. All you got to do, you got to log in, and then you get the details, and then, you know, you're given the link, so that Monday, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, you come on and you get to see the traders, and they're talking to you, and you can ask questions, and it's all exposed. It's all transparent. It's not like putting like this, that basically a whole web page, and not once do they tell you what the hell it's about. You have to dig deeper to go and find out. Not like that with us. So anyway, it's entirely up to you. You know, I'll leave links below if you're interested in that. But as for this, me personally, I wouldn't touch it. So anyway, I hope you got some value from that. If you did, please take a second, just give it a thumbs up. Also, share it. Anyone else who you think might get value from this as well. If you have any questions, anything at all you want to talk about, then please don't hesitate. Leave it in the comments box below. Alright, once again, thanks for listening. Until next time, take care. Speak to you soon. All the best. Take care.